it's me, Ice. I hope you're all doing well. Guys, don't mind me, I'm taking off my nail polish. I have an order coming in. I ordered from D&D Gel Nails. I got some new colors coming in. I'm gonna change my nail color. I'm wearing this like beautiful 90s type of color. I'm just, you know, I came back from seeing my sister. It's just been a really more, like everything's just been a little more laid back, a little more quiet. I'm also wearing some new gear. I'm wearing White Fox right now. Oh god, my cat's coming. I'll show you like my new White Fox gear that I'm wearing. I love it so much. Augie, what are you doing? Augie, you're in the way, sweetheart. So I got some new White Fox gear that I want to show you guys. I love their stuff so much and it's so comfortable. I love wearing their stuff when I'm like off from work. I got 2 new sets. And I also wanted to say, if you want your nails to grow, get this. This nail polish here will help your nails grow. So I'm just prepping my nails. It's beautiful, but it's bad for guitar. So I have to maneuver around like, how the hell am I gonna play guitar with these nails? That's what it looks like. This is the White Fox shirt and the pants, as you can see here. And this is the first set. The second set that I have is this one. So this but green. Careful, I'm drying my nails. Then I have another set of these pants. This but green. And just for reference, I'm 5'9". I do not know how much I weigh, but I'm a big woman, as you can see. And I'm extra large when it comes to pants. So if that helps anyone out there to order. So that is my White Fox haul. So far, I've been loving everything from there, and my sister said they look comfortable. They are comfortable, and it just helps a lot since like there are days where I just want to relax, and I love it. I love wearing their stuff, and they are pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie. For a t-shirt, I was like, okay, but you know, I feel comfortable in it. I like it. So yeah, that's my little White Fox haul. I just love the whole minimal look and making it look so seamless and not too much, because I'm at the point where like I just want to get out of the house. Like I don't want to do my makeup for hours. I want it very simple, to the point, and I feel like I perfected it and I got it, and I really love how it looks. I wait for my Amazon order. I'm gonna do my makeup so I could show you what's been going on. So before I do my makeup, I just want to let you guys know that my nails have been growing, and this will be green. I know I've been wearing green, but I'm gonna wear more of a obvious green. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna put the picture here of the nail color that I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. So I'm just gonna let my nails just be clear for today. It's naked, I don't like it. And I will say that I have stopped going to the gym. I no longer go to the gym in the city. It's just because I will be home more in the coming weeks, and I want to be home with my cat. My cat is a senior. I love him so much, and that's my best friend, and he gets sad when I'm not here. And my mom told me when I leave he cries, and I don't like that. I love him so much, and he's literally like right near me. And you know guys, I have been working out from home. I've been working on my stomach, I've been working on my legs, and I really love working out from home. I have a couple of YouTubers that I watch towards working out, and I've been doing them every day. Weekends I usually take time off. You know, I try to just stay busy, but you know, I will say that I've been loving the way I've been looking. I'm proud of myself, but again, I could use a little change in my diet. But all in all, I'm happy, and yeah, I'm home more. I work out from home. I think that's it on updates. I'm just waiting for my Amazon package, so I'm gonna do my makeup on camera, and I'm gonna show you like my step on how I think I achieved the more minimal look. So stay tuned. So guys, I went to Sephora yesterday to re-up on some stuff, but I'm trying this new Merit. I've been loving the minimal brands like Ilia, Rose Inc, Say, and Merit. Merit's like a very affordable. This is $24, and this is a green shade that I will show you. I wore it yesterday and I really like it. It's really beautiful. It's creamy, then it turns more blendable. I had to re-up on the Charlotte Tilbury. Guys, I don't know what she put in this. If someone can do their research, because it really held my makeup on for a long time, and I ran out of the mini one. And I just really like this. It kept my makeup together. It was so beautiful. I went ahead and got the Summer Fridays like holiday set. I guess it's like part of the holiday line. So there's iced coffee, cherry, and vanilla. I'm currently using the iced coffee and it smells so good. I have some on my lips right now. This is by far the best lip balm I have used. I didn't like it at first because I think I was applying maybe a little too much. This, I just can't. I just love how it makes my lips look. It's so beautiful. I had to get this set here. Also, I finally got my hands on the Hourglass Unlocked. I have the other one that's more of a triangular shape. Love that one, but this one is my favorite. So I had to get both of these, and I think it's out of stock again at Sephora at the location I'm in. So I am really happy that I got this one. I have here my Stanley Cup. I just want to say that these really come in handy. I don't bring this one out. I bring my 30-ounce one. I drink lemon water all the time. And I splash some collagen in here too because I haven't taken it for a couple days because I've been just busy with a lot of things and in and out of the house. So those are just some of the updates that I wanted to tell you. Cooking some toasties. I'm doing salad. So I'm just like frying this up a little bit right now. I'm sorry. I usually wear the same clothes. I know, like I'm not like everything's fine. I like baggy clothes. I need to update my wardrobe. I'm making some tofu right now, and I'm making a salad right now. Some baby spring mix, some tomatoes that I pre-cut, some walnuts, Green Goddess avocado to top it off. I ate bad yesterday, okay? Let's just make it clear, but I'm just grateful that I lose weight pretty quickly. So, I mean, I still feel light. I still feel kind of veggie pizza, but still it's bad because the crust was dairy. Like, it was with cheese. I need to stay away from cheese because it's bad for your skin. It clogs up your body time to time. I told myself I need to switch out my creamer. I need to find an alternative for cheese. I don't like milk. I never like milk. It makes my stomach turn. but I need to look into my diet. I just haven't had time because there's a lot going on right now with planning. So I'm gonna cook this and I'll be right back. So I'm still waiting on my Amazon package, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. I got some nice heirloom tomatoes. They were just beautifully displayed it was like straight from the farm. So I was like, oh, I gotta get on top of these. Like the produce there is amazing. So I had to get these, and I'm just cutting them into like manageable pieces. Not too much. I've been having like, what was I having? Toast and tomato for snack. Like something nice and light to fill my stomach. I have Ezekiel's bread on top of that. And I added a little bit of salt and pepper. Actually, I think just black pepper. That's all I had. Alright, so this is beautiful. I'll have it like this, nice and cut. And I'm gonna wash my salad. Guys, I don't know why the camera is blue. I don't know what's going on here, but it's blue. I'm not really tech savvy, so I don't know what's going on. Anyone knows what's going on? Scooping these. So sorry. You guys here. Hopefully the core. I had to scoop it out last time. Cut too much. Hey you guys, so I got my package. It arrived, so I had to cut during the kitchen scene. And I made my salad. I'm gonna try it right now on camera because this is just something I brewed up together. This is nice. Hey you guys, that salad was good. Get on a diet. So I'm gonna go ahead and like re-up my lips by using the Summer Fridays iced coffee. It smells like coffee and it smells so good. So the first thing I got was a bra from Fruit of the Loom. I hope this fits because my bras, since I lost weight, that means I lost some chest. But this is I hope this fits me. I was at 38, but I think I went down to 36. So I'm gonna try that on and see how that goes. I bought, I've mentioned this videos ago, but the Power Up Premium Trail Mix High Energy. This is my favorite one. So whenever I'm hungry and need a snack, and I need to get back on these, I just eat these. So if I'm craving something sweet, something crunchy, I love this. Is my favorite one. There's 3 types to this. So this is like high energy, and it contains pineapple, banana chips, coconut, cranberries, walnuts, cashews, and papaya. These taste so good. I eat these like all the time, but I'm trying to get back onto this because I've been eating bad. I've been eating chips. Chips are not good. It just depends on what type of chips. And the next box, I ordered a lot. I bought cat litter too. I didn't think you guys needed to see that. You know. Oh, this is the one that I bought from DND. I know you guys seen this on Instagram. So I got like a cloud blue. This is an Arab perfume. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. The presentation is beautiful. I'm just gonna go and spritz this on my hand right quick. Wow guys, this smells like a high-end. This smells high-end. This smells like if you were to walk into Macy's in the perfume department. Wow, this is beautiful. I was expecting something a little more musky and earthy. Okay, so I'm on Amazon and top notes are mandarins and orange blossom. Definitely smell like the mandarin and the oranges for sure. And then the middle notes are jasmine, iris, white flower, and tuberose. I smell the jasmine a lot and the white flower, and the bottom notes are sandalwood, vanilla, amber, and white musk. I don't smell the vanilla though, but the white musk and the bit of sandalwood, yeah, this is not what I expected. I was expecting something a little more woody, but I do not hate this. This is really pretty. This screams rich. You have a driver that drives you around and you don't carry your luggage. This is what it smells like. It's giving Bloomingdale's. It's giving Neiman Marcus. Another color from Castle Cloud. It's more of a gray toned. I need to take this out and show you. They're more of a gray toned type of nail polish. It's beautiful. Last package. Cleaning supply, so gloves. I had the re-up on gloves so I could clean. For my cat loves Nulo. Gillette Venus Sensitive razors. Now I get handcraft blends, essential oils. I haven't bought these in a minute. And the last one, I already have one, but it's half a bottle, but I decided to just get another one. I think this was on sale. Wow, it's $22 for this bottle. I think it went up in price because everyone on TikTok keeps talking about rosemary and all the benefits. Oh no, I got it on sale. It was $17.99, I believe. Yep, it was $17.99. Now it went from $32 to $22. You gotta hop on those deals, people, because there was a deal like at that moment. It's my weekend and I wanted to just check up on you guys and see how you're doing, and I wanted to update you on my life, and I appreciate all the new subscribers to my channel. I really appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you for my new subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this nice mini video and me at home. Really nothing too much going on. Just happy to be here. I'm very grateful for you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful week. Bye.